chi analysis work? How does this computer work?
That's a great question. For traditional Chinese medicine, before we had this type of equipment and technology, a therapist would do a qi analysis by checking the pulse at certain points of your body. And that would give them the information about those 12 major freeways in the body. So we're going to do the same thing today, but with equipment that will be checking your pulse.
Okay.
And then it feeds into this computer, and it gives us the assessment. It gives us the results.
Oh, so I'll get the results immediately?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
wow.
then we'll review them and see what's going on.
Oh, okay, excellent.
So you want to lay down? We can get started.
All right.
Okay, so this is very easy. You just want to hold on to that in your left hand. We place it right there and go ahead and close on that. So we'll be checking the 12 freeways based off of points on your hands and your feet.
Okay.
All right, so we'll get started. If I could have this hand. So each of these points represent the 12 freeways. So as I'm going through these points, one of these is the liver freeway, one is the lung freeway, and so we'll get readings on these highways or freeways by checking each of these points. So this, for example, this point is the liver chi. This is the stomach chi. And then keep holding on to that, but we're going to do this hand, so if you could turn it over for me. And if you could turn it over, thank you. All right, and we'll go to the other foot, and then we'll be done, and we'll see your results. And again, there's the stomach chi for the other foot. Okay. All right, you want to sit up and I can show you what we are going to work on today. Take that, thank you.
Now, is this something that gets checked every time I'm here, or?
Yes. In order to make sure that you're getting the exact care that you need, this test will be done every time you come, because your chi and these results are constantly changing. So we want to make sure that we can see the progress that we're making and then know what to keep working on.
And what are all these numbers and colors?
Oh, of course. Great question. So what we're looking at here, to go back to the freeway analysis of all of the meridians, all of your major body systems. Anything that's in green is great. It's the best.
Okay.
And then it goes down to blue, and then to yellow and to red. So things that are yellow or red are of concern. Those are things that we're going to want to work on. Anything that reads above the line, you can consider that freeway is overcrowded. It's got a traffic jam.
Okay.
If it's under the line, a way to think of it is that there's no cars or not enough cars, which for us in driving in California is great, right?
Yeah.
But for Chi, if there's no cars on the freeway, it's not serving its purpose. So that's something that would be of concern as well. So you can see here that we have two areas that are red. This first area is the periocardium, which is for the heart. So there's the heart chi, but then this chi is regarding more of the heart in relations to your extremities.
Okay.
And then here we have in red, you can see the liver chi. So the liver chi, is in red and it's got a yellow reading. But when you're thinking about these chi freeways, and so for example, I'll use the liver chi here. If it's in the red, either above or below the line, that doesn't necessarily mean that there's something going on directly with your liver. The liver chi represents lots of different things. So for example, the liver chi is highly associated with emotions. So this could be about, stress and things like that. So if we want to look down here, so these are your numbers, and these are the normal ranges that we want to have your chi in. So for this first one, for the physical ability, you're reading a 93. So that's a lot higher than the range that our goal would be. And you can see here that it's referring to strong mental activity and consumption. So again, this could be that stress that we're talking about, overthinking, things like that. This can cause inflammation in the body elsewhere, which is also stating that. It also makes a note about medication. You may be on a lot of medications, or have you started a new medication recently?
I did within the last 48 hours.
Okay.
So that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, so the chi analysis is telling us that.
Okay. And I would definitely say one of the reasons why I wanted to come here was because I do feel that I carry a lot of stress. So
Right.
that
Yeah,
is actually no surprise.
Well, that is absolutely something that we can work on here and have very quick results for you.
Okay.